What's up, guys? Your Wiggly here. How to improve the quality of your sleep? That's the topic of discussion today. Sleep is very underrated, especially in today's fast world. People are so proud to say, I sleep less. It's not important about how long you sleep, but the quality of sleep that you get is very vital for a lot of reasons. Research says to get into a deep sleep, recover well, and improve your hormone balance, an average human requires at least 6.5 hours of sleep in the night. I'll tell you why it is important in the night and the advantages you could get. If you look at the body, we are having a circadian rhythm to sleep in the night and stay awake during the day. So when we are at rest, that is the time at which the brain sends signal to check if all the hormones are in balance, which means your testosterone, your estrogen, your human growth hormone, and all the other hormones are checked. If the levels are low, the body produces more, and if the levels are high, then the body regulates it. So what are the advantages? If you're someone who is trying to build muscle or lose fat, the hormones testosterone and HGH are very, very important. Testosterone helps you build muscle, HGH helps you improve the quality of your muscles, the quality of your skin, joints, and overall anti-aging hormone. Not only that, your thyroid hormone, which determines the speed of your metabolism, is also regulated during your sleep. So if you compromise your sleep during the night, you're not just compromising your recovery, but your overall balance of hormones. Okay, so when it comes to sleep, how can we improve the quality of sleep? We have the happy hormone called as serotonin, which gets secreted in our brain when we live mindfully and take happiness out of everything in life. And when we get stressed, a hormone called as cortisol is secreted. A person who sleeps at night and stays awake during the day, science shows around 3 to 4 p.m. of the day is when the cortisol production reaches its peak. But if you want to sleep well at night, the peak has to be cut down and the level of cortisol has to be reduced. How can we do that? A meal which is wholesome, small, and probably rich in antioxidant like vitamin C. If you produce this around 3 to 4 p.m. of the day, your cortisol levels are brought down. I prefer having a vitamin C supplement as I am sure that I can cut my cortisol around this time. When your cortisol level goes down, the body is ready to produce melatonin. Melatonin is the hormone that gets secreted in your pineal gland that's right behind your forehead. This is sometimes referred to as the third eye. So when the melatonin is secreted, it makes sure you go to sleep and sleep like a baby, reach the deepest part of your sleep, recover well, and set all your hormone levels up. Not only that, there are other factors that can affect your sleep as well. Today's world, we are always looking at some kind of screen. The artificial light from your laptop monitor, from your television set, from your mobile phone, your digital assistant, everything emits a lot of blue light. When you look at the spectrum of light in a day, it starts at red and slowly shifts to blue, and then slowly the blue light is cut off. That's when it becomes dark and we sleep. But when we are exposed to a lot of blue light through these digital assistants, the body cannot produce enough melatonin, which means you cannot sleep. So it's a very good practice to cut out any kind of screen light and make sure you keep the lights dim at your home at least 1 hour before your sleep time. And then when you go to sleep, as I said, the circadian rhythm is set to sleep at pitch dark. Maintain your bedroom in pitch dark and keep all your electronic gadgets at least 6 to 8 feet away so that there is no radiation, no blue light, and your body can produce enough melatonin to put you to sleep like a baby. And when you sleep like this, you wake up like a king with all the health benefits, completely recovered, rejuvenated, and in a happy mood to face the next day. If your sleep falls into cycle like this, every day is going to be productive, not only in terms of your workout, muscle gain and fat loss, but whatever may be your profession. You can handle the day and progress well because you're going to get that much good mental focus and mental stability as well. Hope this video was very informative for you. Do give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, and on the comment section, if you have any queries, you can post that and tell me what video you would like to see next so that I can make a video on that. Subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, whoever would find it useful, and remember to press the bell icon so that you can get notification about all my new videos. It's your Big Lee, over and out.